Hi everyone, today we will learn about how to convert scan data to recap format by Cyclone Register 360. First step is import scan data from scan device. We have to create the new project before add scan data. Put the name project, then click OK. This function is background image. If we need the background, we can import from this step. Now we have to copy all scan data to Cyclone Register 360 by drag them from here to here. You can see now all scan data were imported to Cyclone Register 360. On the Properties tab, we click to choose Auto Cloud and Import Images option. Then click Import button on the right corner. It's take us some time for Cyclone Register 360 import all scan data, please patient. Step 2 is review and optimize. In this step we will review all scan are fix or not. All the red point are scan location of scan camera on site. We can use the bundle cloud function to check all scan with 3D environment. We can use rotate function to looking around to check all the items like this. Zoom in or out to have the best view. All function here are choose items, looking around, fly on the left corner. The green line means all scan location are connected together. Now we will click Optimize Bundle on left right corner. Step 3 is Finalize. After we review and optimize all scan data, we will go to the next step is Finalize Data. We can see that all green color means all scan data are accepted as overlap, strength, cloud to cloud. We click Accept, then click Accept red button to approval all scan data in this step. Step 4 is Report. After review and optimize all scan, we will go to the Report step. In this step we will export all scan data by created the PDF export. We can create the title report, company name, website included in PDF report. And choose the location to save the PDF report. On the Publish option, we have to click PTG option if we want to convert to recap format, include the scan location. Click Publish to start the export process. It takes some time to export all scanned data to PDF report and PTG data. Final step is import PTG data exported from Cyclone Register 360 to Autodesk Recap. Click New Project, then click Import Cloud. Put the name of project, then click Proceed. Drag all PTG data that exported from Cyclone Register 360 in previous step to Autodesk Recap. Click Import Files and Waiting. Click Index Scans after all PTG data were imported. After indexing scan 100% complete, click Launch Project. Now we can see all scan data export from scan device were converted to recap format, included the scan location. We can click the scan location to check the actual view on site. We can look around with the beautiful clearly view. Additional, if we want the recap data to import to other software as AutoCAD Plant 3D, we can copy all the data from the import_output folder of Autodesk Recap. Thank you for your watching and see you soon again.